Ajun Yamamoto, and we are going to give you stock valuation series, short lecture on stock valuation. And this is homework for number 3, finding a new growth rate G1. Motivation of this homework was, although we introduced a new concept of G1 prime, however, to average, we need lots of calculation. For example, look at these awful things. Lots of addition, 1 plus G1 prime. Lots of multiplication, large pi, index k from I plus 1 to j, lots of multiplication, and then very difficult calculation of j minus ith root. And then finally, we need to subtract 1. Then we get the average growth. I need it more simply like this. Summation average. Summation average thing is only you add up G1 things and then divide it by time. Currently, we're talking about new G1, so j minus I equal 1. So this is time, right? Over time. And the answer for this homework, it's very famous concept. Probably many of you already know limitation concept. But the limitation n goes to infinity. But the value is 1 plus g over n, 1 plus g over n, and then to the nth power, n goes to infinity. This is a very definition of Napier number. And Napier number e to the g's power. So we introduce new function, exponential function. I will write exp, expo g. Expo g equals xj over j minus 1. So this thing is a very natural, common concept. And then what we do is, the answer is g. New g should be natural logarithm, log things, ln xj over xj minus 1. This is the new g1. So g1. That's the answer for this homework. So, what's exponential function? Exponential function is a map from R to R plus. And if I took growth rate g, the value of x of g, we reach a ratio of xj over xj minus 1. On the other hand, ln function, it's the inverse function of exponential. So ln is a map from R plus. It only takes a positive value of y. Y equals xj over xj minus 1. And it gives you the value of G1 natural growth rate, G1j. So it's ln j over j minus 1. And we name it this G1, new G1, G1 continuous prime, J. So let's look back. Stock valuation number 3, the bad report, wrong report. You might recall the fund manager this track record. Year 0, 1, 2, and his NAV becomes from 1 to 2 and 2 to 1. So what's the value of G1 continuous prime? The first year, log ln 2 over 1, log 2 equals 69%. On the other hand, second growth rate, G1 continuous prime, log ln 1 over 2 equals negative 69%. So we finally get the right answer, right report. Plus 69 minus 69 equals 0. So average of G1 prime becomes 0. So G mean equals 0. So from now on, we would like to use continuous growth rate because of this requirement. We can leave out lots of complication. We can use simple summation average. That's a huge advantage if you use Excel sheet or if you use a Python, etc., etc. Lots of problem. You can solve it very simply. Okay, thank you. This is homework number 3. See you next time. Bye.